7-foot privacy link, how to cut in a bias or chain link on a taper. So what you want to do is you want to come up and you want to prep your panel up and get it to height and get the pitch and the angle that you're coming up to the hill, and use the needles as a guide. So if you follow the first needle down and it hits the post, go ahead and cut it and jump back over into the next needle and come back down, make another cut, jump back over and make another cut. And this is a 3 cut, so it goes 1, 2, 3 cut, 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 and over. And then you leave the slots a little bit long to conceal all the gaps, and then you put your band around and clamp it and drill through the drill bit and clamp your makeup down. And when you get back, yes, I'm still going to cut the bar in the slat. A longer bar is easier to stuff in, and also you can put the slats in as far as you feel like it, and then trim them off. And what we did is we did 1 cut below the knuckle, 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 all the way down for even band spacing.
You mean like side by side gang?
So now when you come back and you look at the taper, it should look something like that.
What's the name of it?
Nice, even, consistent pitch. We got the rest of the rolls coming down. We haven't stretched it yet. Then we go all the way down to that gate area. And then we have a lot of other inclines to do. And all the way over here, we've got a couple more corners. This is the line we have in right now, rolling off of this hill. We have another bias to do in that corner also. But this is the technique that I use to trim my pickets off to make these tailored cuts. And if you're on an opposite side of a hill where the wire is coming in opposite of that, you would basically go from the bottom, and if the bottom pickets were able to point into the post, you would cut over to the right side of it and then make your cuts basically opposite of what this is, where they start at the top and point down. So consider like a piece of pizza, and you're at the pointed part and the wide mouth is the bottom. And on a downhill coming in, it would be the small piece of the pizza on the bottom and the wide mouth going toward the top. And that's how you would taper your cuts. And no matter what the angle is, just follow the needle till it hits the post and make a cut. And envision the bar going down through the center of it. And that will be a guide for you to basically keep your wire tight next to the fence post and keep your fabric pulled at the grade of your frame so that everything stays snug and conforms to whatever area you're working in. That's the tip for the day. We'll see you on the next video.